Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about another applications of selenium dioxide. Selenium dioxide oxidizes benzylic position into carbonyl function. Here this is the benzylic position. This is toluene and this is the benzylic position. When in the presence of selenium dioxide, toluene will converted into benzaldehyde. Similarly, C6H5, CH2, C6H5. In the presence of selenium dioxide, benzylic position getting oxidized into carbonyl function. This is C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5. Another example, pH CH2 CH2 pH. In the presence of selenium dioxide, both the benzylic position getting oxidized into C6H5 C double bond O C double bond O C6H5. Another application is dehydrogenation. This is an ester of succinic acid CH2 CH2 COET twice. In the presence of selenium dioxide, it will undergo dehydrogenation and converted into CH double bond CH COET twice. What is the mechanism of dehydrogenation using selenium dioxide? Here this is a keto function group. It will easily undergoes tautomerization into enol. This is keto-enol tautomerization. And it will converted into enol. Enol in the presence of selenous acid, that is the structure of Sc double bond O OH twice, selenous acid. Lone pair of electrons present in this OH group attacks on selenium and OH minus getting eliminated. In total, H2O getting eliminated due to the presence of O plus. Hydrogen will eliminates as H plus. Then it will converted into this product CH double bond COET connected with the oxygen connected with the selenium double bond OH. Then it will undergoes beta hydrogen elimination, that is this is the beta hydrogen. When this hydrogen eliminates, this bond will shifts into this bond and this double bond will shift to this bond and oxygen to selenium bond will breaks and OH minus getting eliminated. In total, one of the hydrogen from this beta hydrogen and OH from this selenium eliminated, that is H2O getting eliminated and selenium oxide Sc double bond O getting eliminated and we get CH double bond CH COET twice as the final product. That is the mechanism of dehydrogenation. Another example is here. Here also ketoenol tautomerization is possible and also it has a beta hydrogen. So it will undergoes dehydrogenation in the presence of selenium dioxide and it will convert it into CH double bond CH COPH COPH. Another example is here. Here also ketoenol tautomerization is possible and there is a beta hydrogen present. So in the presence of selenium dioxide, it will undergoes dehydrogenation and it will convert it into CH double bond CH C double bond O pH. This will be the product. Another application of selenium dioxide is it can act as a catalyst in the presence of a hydrogen peroxide reagent. Hydrogen peroxide is a hydroxylating agent. So, in the presence of selenium dioxide, hydroxyl groups adds to this double bond into trans manner. So, this is the structure of fumaric acid. When it undergoes hydroxylation in the presence of selenium dioxide, we get a diol and which is a meso compound that is optically inactive. This is the structure of fumaric acid. Here COH groups are in trans manner. When OH groups add to this double bond in trans, it will converted into this product. And this is our staggered configuration of the diol. When it is converted into eclipsed configuration by rotating one of the carbon center into clockwise manner, we get a configuration like this. Here it is an eclipsed configuration. Here both the COH groups are in same side. When this Sohos formula converted into Fischer projection formula, we get a configuration like this. Here both COH groups are in same side and both hydrogen are in same side. So this compound is optically inactive due to the presence of plane of symmetry. So fumaric acid in the presence of hydrogen peroxide and selenium dioxide converted into a meso compound. Whereas in the case of malic acid, it will converted into an optically active compound. That is, here OH groups added into the double bond in trans manner and we get a compound like this. This is a staggered configuration when it is converted into eclipsed configuration by rotating one of the carbon center in clockwise manner. We get a compound like this and This is Soho's configuration when it is converted into Fisher projection formula. Both hydrogen and COH groups are in opposite phase. That is, the resultant product is an optically active compound. So, in the presence of selenium dioxide, malic acid gives an optically active compound by dihydroxylation, whereas fumaric acid gives meso compounds by dihydroxylation. That is the another application of selenium dioxide. Another application of selenium dioxide is selenium dioxide hydroxylation of the gamma carbon in an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl system. This is an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl system. This is alpha position, this is beta, and this is gamma position. Here, hydroxylation of the gamma carbon takes place in an alpha beta unsaturated system, carbonyl system, in the presence of selenium dioxide and acetic anhydride or acetic acid. So, we get a product like this. Here, OAC group will present at the gamma position. Another example is here. Here also, this is the gamma position and this is an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl system. In the presence of selenium dioxide, acetic anhydride and THF, we get a product like this. This is another application of selenium dioxide. Another application of selenium dioxide is oxidation of active position of heterocyclic compounds. Mostly oxidized products are carbonyl function, and in vigorous condition carbonyl function again oxidized into carboxylic acids. So here is the pyridine derivative. In the presence of selenium dioxide, it will converted into CH3 group is active position of this heterocyclic compound. It will converted into CHO. If selenium dioxide used in excess manner, it will further oxidized into COH. This is another heterocyclic compound. In the presence of selenium dioxide, the CH3 group will converted into CHO group. Another example for heterocyclic compound is this will oxidized into CHO function group. Now, what is the order of reactivity of selenium dioxide? We discussed a lot of applications of selenium dioxide in which alpha position of electron withdrawing group oxidation is preferred than benzylic position oxidation than allylic position oxidation. So, consider an example. Here, this compound undergoes selenium dioxide oxidation. What will be the product? It has alpha position of electron withdrawing group like carbonyl group, and it also has two allylic position. This is an allylic position and this is also an allylic position. Then Which oxidation will take place in the presence of selenium dioxide? Then according to the order of reactivity of selenium dioxide oxidation, alpha position of electron withdrawing substituent getting oxidized into carbonyl function, and we get product like this compound. This will be the product. That's about selenium dioxide oxidation.